Hey everybody, this is Old Time Gamers coming at you with some Broforce. My friend Jonathan recommended this game, and I think it's something worthwhile playing. So, off we go!
Do it!
That's really iconic characters.
Oh yeah, I'm not sure who I am right now.
Oh my. Rambo?
I have
Rambo?
more characters.
Yeah, I think I'm Rambo.
I have more characters unlocked. I'm a blade right now.
How'd you change characters?
Can you save these guys? There's a lot of prisoner support. Right now I'm Ellen.
Yeah, but how did you change them?
Okay, so you save those guys, and you go up to them, and then they'll just automatically change.
So, like you go up to them in the in the game, and then you change it to them? You save to people now?
Yeah, there's a little bit of delay when you. So right now I'm like perfect. You'll eventually join.
Ah!
Oh wait, you're out of lives. Well, boy, this is the first one for mission. So let's find
To arrest you. Oh look, I'm
Oh shit. There's a way to bypass this. That's the way to do this. Right here. How much you take? Go ahead.
You are mine.
There you go.
Oh, it's MacGyver. I already got MacGyver.
MacGyver's alright. MacGyver. Never was my favorite action hero.
Oh, balls. I'm a shot. Got them all.
Alright, you want to change character again?
Yeah, I really don't like MacGyver. Woo! Braid. Brad.
Like bro, or braid?
Braid joins the battle.
This guy is badass. Trust me, he's nice. He's like the definition. And now I am,
Oh shit! I don't know where I am.
You'll respawn here eventually, hold up. Oh, there's the devil, we have to kill him. There you go. Got him. Go, 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 go!
Oh shit, I can jump on it too?
Crazy ass game.
3, 2, 1, go!
I am the other Chuck Norris. The one with the
Oh, goodbye, partner.
I'm still alive. I don't know where I am.
Now that happened to me last time too. I just what?
Maybe you get off the screen. Yeah, this guy like oh. What you have to do to let me respawn, you have to find one of those flags, I think. First you go ahead.
Oh shit. I'll blew myself up.
You just find the actually this guy is crazy powerful. Oh my I have revived you. You are judged.
Badass. Badass. We're at that E3 conference.
Wait.
Yeah. Don't leave me behind! The one that I'm currently most excited about is for Honor. So cool. Oh shit.
I like Phillips, the badass ignores.
And
I am face of the Matrix.
I need to start opening this so I can actually upgrade my
Oh shit!
Oh shit!
My friend.
Die, Satan!
Oh god! I got actually sick. You'll find out here pretty soon while you're watching. This game has zero chill. It really does. It's like, oh, you're not gonna do this. Oh shit. Oh, I'm the Rocketeer.
I'm a diver again. Oh please. John, I'm gonna work my way down.
Alright, go for it. We'll get to them eventually. Drop down now. Boom. The hell? There you go.
Glowing black.
Glowing black? Oh.
His attack is insane.
What the fuck? Yeah, this thing is great. It also pushes back though.
Yeah. Remember the movie? Or did you ever watch it?
I watched that. Legend Major. Legend Major.
That one picture that happened, like,
Matrix! Blown up the entire
I mean, screw.
I'm really sorry if we say a racial offensive term not meant in such a way.
We are the two black. Point that out.
Fair enough.
All those guys. Oh, who am I? Oh, dude, the bro. It's what's her face? Kill Bill.
Yes!
That's who I am right now. Look at me. Dude, that is bad. Yeah, they literally have every action here you can think of. I was like, I wonder if they have magic. They had bro. I was like, you got oh, shit.
I just wrecked this area.
Oh, god, okay, here we go. I'm at that point. Okay. Oh, god damn it! Yeah, that's really yeah.
Fudge!
Oh! Oh, shit! Oh! You fell again!
Oh look, I'm alive! I'm alive!
Shit! I mean,
I promise you, if you say it, we're not being a racial offensive.
we are not. We really aren't that racist. Ow! Fuck. Go on.
What is that, Jonathan?
Yeah! Badass! Oh man. Okay, I'm a
Did I
guy
die?
now. I am the. Oh.
Did I die or
Oh
something?
fuck! I wish it would keep camera on.
Oh shit.
I got
John,
the-
go back to that flag.
But I got the picture.
John, go back to the flag.
Oh. I will.
Where's the flag go?
Fuck your mother. Right here. Ah.
Oh, my
you don't have any
lives.
lives. That's what, okay, I'm gonna have to do this on my own.
Make it through the round, Jonathan. Make it through the round. Still get the Mountain Dew for the nights out. Shit. No turkey. No turkey.
Turkey time! Double, double! Satan, fuck you. That was,
Go!
Still got more. Still got hold up. Stick me a while and go in and go. Oh shit.
dude, I'm, young but before that, I was, one of mine and Jonah's personal favorite.
For real,
He's just the ultimate badass. He says the cheesy lines. He always is. Honestly, if you want
to do myself to hell.
Okay, well.
It's up to you again. Carry the team, John. Carry the
I
team.
want this game, so I think it's pretty. Oh, okay. You have to watch out for those explosives. They will.
Mission.
Oh, it
Dude,
revived.
won't go on these guys. Actually another life over here. I'm actually going to go back to get it.
Dirty Broly!
I got Dirty Brory.
It's Dirty Harry. It's one of Clint Eastwood's characters. That's so cool. You never unlock characters. You actually like order. It just added that. Here, get a life for me, William.
I will.
Terminator.
Shit.
Oh, hold up. I gotta go perfect power up. Go back.
Got you.
Just killed him. Oh, damn. I have this thing called the Terminator mode, which basically makes me
Careful, come down. Oh, they got me. There's a life ahead. Save me, John. Save me.
Oh, I got you a free. Get that life too, so you can start leveling up more.
I know, like, I hate how he just has standard moves.
Oh shit.
The boss?
Yeah.
Terrorcopter!
That's stupid. Air superiority technology.
Oh, fuck.
The Terminator, Oh, yes.
Oh, shit. Let me get that one.
Sorry.
Oh, fuck.
carnage. Literally, no way.
We are bones, my friend.
Mission failed.
So,
3, 2, 1, go, go,
I mean,
go.
got a Hillary Reap right there.
oh yes, this guy's badass.
Okay, yeah, I got a good one too.
This guy's just slow down. This guy.
Oh. Nah, this one already has.
Hey, this much closer. Oh yeah, I died.
Terrorcopter!
Terrorcopter. You have to hit a button. Oh yeah.
That was gonna kill him!
Go, 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 go. Badass, but...
Oh shit, John.
Oh, yeah. Oh, God. I just got... Rip John. You have to fight.
I don't know how I'm gonna do this with this. I'm not.
Yeah, I'm not. We need Will Smith.
Dude.
Oh, wait.
Yeah,
Oh,
Terminator. Okay, John, I'll get you down the light and shoot here.
alright, sweet.
Well,
Yeah, go to the checkpoint.
Terrorcopter!
Alright.
Not throwing.
No, that's his mode, dude. You see how he turned all metal?
Oh shit!
Oh, I'm Ash.
Oh fuck!
Guys, this might take more than one. Wait, there's like one. Yeah, he's going another way. You can go up, though. Right in that little ledge. The far end. Right, far end, right. It runs so much smoother on your computer. Mine is just like... I mean, it's not bad.
Promise we are not racist.
Oh my god. That Terminator never fails to amaze me, guys. How badass it is. Oh, Will Smith! You're there!
Shit, if I don't get killed first.
Get around there. Yeah. Talk about this. Hold up, you can get down your level. Spam it!
Okay, you only got one life left.
Good. Ah! No, there.
Mission failed. 3, 2, 1, go, go,
I tried, John. I tried.
We were trying. It's alright. Hey, I'm I am, yeah. That was good. Oh.
Terrorcopter!
After. I don't like that.
Oh shit, John, you need to give me that life for real now this time.
I don't like something here.
Oh, why? That's such a theory. Well, I'm like part of one theory, not dead, John. This is all on you. Top time. Oh. time, fuck time.
Kill him! Yes! It is far. Alright, I am Blade, and you are Arnold Schwarzenegger. Ow! Those are mine. Oh, sorry. No! Hey, I'm a turtle too. We're both Arnold. You're oh, it's the fucking dogs. Dude, those dogs are scary. They touch you once, you are dead.
Oh shit! John, why?
Hold on, if you can get me, just go to that flag.
Why? Isn't it Bruce Wilson?
Oh, yeah, I was about to say. Save me! Hold up! You're good, You're Will Smith! He came back. You reincarnated. Oh! I'm gone. This guy right there. Hold up. Oh, God.
Ooh, yes, what's his name?
I'm, what's her face? From,
Look out, John.
ah!
Hold on.
Ah! Oh!
Where am I? Oh, I'm alive. I was like,
Sometimes all the explosions, like...
shit, John, save me. Sorry.
Yes. You are the guy. Oh, I'm dead. You can get a life and appreciate it, but you can't understand.
Oh, motherfucker.
Ammo, sweet.
We're going to take the... Oh, fuck.
Oh, dude, there's life down there.
Where, though?
It's really far down there.
Yo, I am a samurai. Yes.
Okay, I just want to be sure.
Vampire. I am a samurai. Can't you just let me have my... Oh.
Mission failed.
Alright, let's try this
Can you
again.
just let me have my...
Yeah, damn it. Fucking killjoy. Hold up, that is pretty good, but I don't know. We're supposed to be. Forgive me, I'm kind of a noob when it comes to this kind of shit. Oh, you just said it was an orbital strike.
That's what that was?
Yes. Oh, fuck. Go.
We need to find that wall with that one.
Yeah. It's down here. Oh my god. Okay. It's down here somewhere. I'm gonna find it.
Woo! I found him.
I found it.
What? Oh! Yeah! Oh, I got Brocop!
Brocop, sweet.
Yes.
You're gonna need a free.
I actually used to love RoboCop, like the cartoon.
Somebody else? Give me a life, that's much appreciated. Froze on my screen. Yeah.
And well, I just died.
3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah, I think I got booted from the game. I'm gonna drop out real quick.
Well, that was fun. We'll see you guys next time. Oh, well, I'm back in, but John is gone. Alright, so this was just a little taste of Broforce. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll release some more later. Bye.